So hi, I know how to do it, so I had to do my own cinematics, but so I have to bring all of these over here. So I have to bring them all over here. So I'm going to show you guys all my car collections, I guess. But I still have a little bit more, but some of them are kind of big, so I cannot show them. Wait. Oh man, I forgot more. Hold on, guys. I have to go over here. Where is it? Let's start. Okay, there it is. Any more I missed? No. Just in case. Okay. Only I missed one, guys, but it's a whole bunch I have. Hold on. I need to put all these over here. Sorry about my loud noises, guys. So yeah, now I got it all. Oh man, I shouldn't have did it backwards, but I don't care. Good. Okay, good. So now this, I'm going to show you all my wide ones. Here's my. Hey guys, so this is going to show you guys all my whites. Oh, I thought my thing was off. But here's this one. And here's the second one. And here's a third one. Here's this one. And here's this one too. That's all my white ones. This. And here's a other one. Here's I think this one is my favorite. And here's the last red one. And I'm going to do the special ones last. So, the cool ones and the special ones last. This, and I'm going to show you guys all my blues and greens. Okay, here's one blue. Here's a second blue or green. I don't know. Here's the other blue. Here's the other green. Here's the other green. And here's the other blue. So now let's go to this one and this one. And here's the special one, guys. And not really special, but they're special. So here's this one. And this one. And this one. And this one. And this one. But my most favorite ones is definitely these three. This one, and this one, and this one. Please comment down below if you agree, guys. And I hope my video is going. Yes, it is. So guys, I hope you love all of these. So please like and subscribe to the video, and bye.